But I also see the parent's role as building a team, because you can't always be there, and because sometimes it's really useful to leverage other mentors to help your child through a breaking point. So what I want to put across, guys, is this communication triangle. And when you look at this triangle, I want you to imagine your child's communities. I don't want you to imagine, just one particular community. I want you to imagine all of their communities. So that's their home life, that's their school life, that's their evening clubs, evening classes, that's their online communities. Who was in the workshop, by the way? Again, not a victim workshop. We talked a lot about online communities, right? Being a community which you don't always consider a community because you can't see it. Each point of the triangle is a mentor in your child's life. The center, of course, is your child. So your child's in the community and this is everything they experience. The most important mentor in a child's life are the parents, obviously. Okay, guys? So really, you're there every single day. It's your job to look after them, to nurture all these important, strong values. But I also see the parent's role as building a team, because you can't always be there. And because sometimes it's really useful to leverage other mentors to help your child through a breaking point. If you go home and you tell your child they need to behave better, it doesn't always sound so cool. But when you say, the black belt instructor says black belts are like this, suddenly they want to behave like that. So you can leverage other instructors, other mentors to help develop your child. So teachers, they see them every single day, and instructor as well. So what I want to try and put forward is that you create this communication triangle to help develop your child, help develop and accelerate their character development and how to really, work together to produce results very, very quickly. If there's a break in this communication, for instance, if you're not talking with a teacher, they may slip academically, or you're not going to know what's going on in class. You're not going to be able to see if they're focusing on behavior in class. If there's not a communication link between the instructor and parents, you're not going to know how they're doing in martial arts and with their character development. If there's not a link between the instructor and teacher, we can't see that the lessons from the dojo are entering the school life. We can see it's entering the home life, but really for the most power, we connect all three.